Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the DHL Express error code 400. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to add their preferences regarding the delivery type. According to our research, the error has been occurring consistently for some users since the beginning of June. It appears to be a technical issue that prevents changes to delivery preferences. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device along with the network. After the restart, launch DHL Express again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Once connected to an alternate network, open DHL Express and check for the error. If the error continues, try using DHL Express from any other device. This could be a different phone, tablet, or computer. So try using DHL Express from any other device and try again. At last, if the error still persists, we suggest contacting the DHL Express support team and reporting the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.